Hi everyone, so here is a shipment I just got from Maui's Orchid Whisperer from Facebook. This is, let me open the box. And this is the shipment. This is how it came in. You can see it's neatly packaged. Let me take all the wrapping material out. So this is all the plants that I have in here. So let me take them out. And of course I know what it is, so it's so here's the first one. Oh, it's got some bites, so I have to be careful. So this is the first one. This is the Oncidium Siku Marguerite. I think this is the only one that's probably in flower at this time. So this is the first one. The second one I have so this is this one, which is this is a Rennie Marquez. So here's the plant. It's got a new growth. Third one. Oh, this is my Bulbophyllum medusae, crossed by itself. I'm not sure, she said it was blooming size. But I'm not sure if these are new growths or new spike. It looks like a spike to me. And there's two of them, and there's one over here too. Oh, and there's another one right here. Right here. Oh, okay, so I'm not sure what they are. Oh, it's buds. Okay, next one up. It's like a small plant. It's probably easy if I just take the scissors and cut them out. Oh, this is, looks like this is a seedling. I'm not sure if you can see what this is, the one. It's a Dendrobium something crossed by Dendrobium Unicum. I'll put the names up when I post it. Oh, this is my Phalaenopsis bellina. I always wanted a Phalaenopsis bellina. I like that color and the fragrance in this one. I'm very excited to get that. That's that. The next one up. Is this one? This is an Encyclia fragrance. Small plant. I'm not sure. I don't think it's seed. It's a seedling. I'm not sure if it's blooming size. That's the one. This one here is a Cattleya RLC Kita Corona Home Volcano Queen. I do love Cattleyas that have those splash colors, and so I'm guessing it's something similar to that. The next one. Is this one? Oh, this is the Cattleya amethystoglossa. Just took the tag on it. I can't get it out. Here's the name. This is the light pink with the spots on them. That's another plant that I've been wanting to get. So that's here. Next one up. Oh, this is my Stanhopea. I think it's Stanhopea Negro Violacea. Now I know these Stanhopeas like to be in a basket, so I'm gonna have to remove it from this pot and put it in a nice basket, which I'll be doing. Tomorrow's a rainy day, so I'll be doing it probably tomorrow. So that's that. Ooh, next one. Oh, this is a tiny one. This one needs to be repotted. It's coming out of the pot. It's a seedling. It's a Cattleya Digbyana, possibly Alba. That means it'll be whitish. Cross with Mrs. Chase. Oh, anyway, here's the label. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read properly. So that's this plant. Little seedling. And the table is a mess, full of bark. It's okay. This table is just what I use to do junk work on, so it's okay. It's not like I'm gonna mess it up. So put all the bark that fell out back in the pot. it's wet. This is really wet. Wet and heavy. What is, oh, this must be the, yes, the Miltoniopsis. So this thing is really, this is really wet and probably do need to be adjusted in the pot because it's really wobbling around in there. Usually Miltoniopsis, when they come for me from Hawaii, they are really good, but this looks like it's a little, I'm not sure. Now the next one. Okay, this is the Rayo Caliente Kryptonite cross with the Caliente Vestida Semi-Alba. So this is this one. It's supposed to be the dark maroonish colored flower, which I had one and I lost it because I did not know about the care. So I got another one. And I didn't know it was supposed to have like a drier winter rest. Oh, it's got a new spike. You see the spike right here? Oh, I'm very excited. So evidently this is a deciduous thing and the plant and the leaves will fall out. And then you have to keep it in the drier side. So, but this is a seedling cross, so it could be the maroon flower or the whitish or the semi-alba version. I prefer the semi-alba version. I've seen it, but only in pictures, but it looks so pretty. I wouldn't mind getting that. I love that plant. So I've been looking all over. That's good. That's good. I'm happy. So then my camera, for some reason, I didn't tape it. So I had taken it out of the bag, so out of the packing. So this might be easier anyway. So this one here is my Arangus Luteal Alba Rhodosticta. Now these are supposed to be small flowers. And right now it's on a mount, which is lowered into a bigger pot. This is supposed to be a small plant, like I said. Now here is the next one. It's the Dendrobium Unicum. It's a seedling plant, I think. I don't think it'll get that big, or even if it does, I'm not sure if it's a seedling. So anyway, this is like supposed to be orange flowers. So that's the next one. Then I have this RLC Taiwan Fantasy TY, which is supposed to be yellow flowers with orange tip to the petals, I think. Anyway, it's got one sheath out here, and if I turn it around, here's another one. And I think this one does have something going on in its sheath. So that's the third one. And then I have this one which says maybe, because this one here is they were not sure. It's an OID Cattleya. So what happened was, at the end of the day, sometimes they give away free orchids to 3 or 4 of them at the end of the day. And if your name gets called, you get to, pick whatever is left from the giveaway. So this was one of the orchids that was given away. And that week I happened to be the winner. So yay, so this is a freebie. So that's a Cattleya. So that's the last ones that I have.